Hello everyone, this is my project for Comp 248 where I explored how sleep and lifestyle behaviors relate to productivity, stress and mood using both synthetic and real-world data. The project goal was to analyze how factors like sleep, caffeine, screen time before bed, and work hours affect behavioral outcomes, and to test if this can be predicted with machine learning. So before we begin, I want to tell you about the data. My main data set comes from Kaggle. It contains 5,000 entries. Data mimics real-world sleep patterns, so it means it's synthetic. It doesn't contain any duplicates or non-values as discovered. Here we can see information about the data features. We have date, person ID, age, gender, sleep start time, sleep end time in 24-hour format, total sleep hours, sleep quality on a scale from 1 to 10, exercise minutes per day, caffeine intake in milligrams, screen time before bed in minutes, work hours in hours per day, and the productivity score, mood score, and stress level. The next step was data analysis. I built a Power BI dashboard to explore patterns over time and weekdays. And my key insights were productivity and sleep quality peaked at May and September, and also the stress was highest in the March. Weekday patterns were clear. For example, Tuesday had lowest sleep quality and mood was highest also early in the week. I also calculated a correlation matrix in Python, and my notable correlations were more sleep was moderately linked to higher mood and productivity. Caffeine and screen time before bed were negatively related to sleep duration and quality. Uh, Stress had a strange positive correlation with productivity. It may be occurred due to pressure-driven focus. My next step was machine learning. I predicted productivity score using regression models. I choose root mean squared error as the metric since it highlights large prediction errors. I tested linear regression, CADBoost, and LGBM, which had the best RMSE and trade quickly. But I have to mention that all models were close to dummy baseline, suggesting weak signals in the synthetic data. I also have to mention that I did a future importance analysis. I visualized future importances from the best model, and my top factors were sleep start, exercise time, screen time before bed, and low impact features included gender and mood score, which is interesting. To validate my findings, I collected real data from 10 people and compared it in Power BI. Compared to synthetic data, real data showed sharper peaks in mood and productivity at 8 to 9 hours sleep, and stronger trends like more sleep, less stress, and more realistic stress patterns around work hours. This clearly showed that real data captures more meaningful and intuitive relationships. This project covered the full data science process from cleaning and visualization to modeling and real-world evaluation. And it also highlighted the gap between synthetic and real data and the importance of validation when building predictive models. Thank you for watching.